Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of 4 Wheel Builds. Today we'll continue on with the rebuild of the 2016 Skoda Octavia RS. In this episode, we'll start dismantling the car. We'll look at all the parts that are broken, what we actually need to buy. And in fact, today I've got a great deal on the front support structure, the rebar, and a set of radiators and coolers for it. So we're off to Wrocław, which is about 120k drive. Should be interesting drive with all the snow around. It's very cold. It's -3 and it's actually heading for -16 today, so it's going to be an interesting drive, and I hope I'll get back before that real cold front hits. So let's get a crack on and let's get moving, and let's get into our trusty Peugeot. Okay, we've just arrived home, and let me give you a better look at the front support, the ventilator, and the radiators that we purchased, plus the rebar at the front. So everything's looking quite new actually. So as you can see, the radiator, the fan, I believe the ventilators pretty much looks brand new actually. Nothing's broken, it's in really good condition. It's maybe a bit of a clean up, me being so pedantic about cleaning this, but everything's looking fantastic. Let me give you a look at the front. It's all looking good. VW or Audi markings everywhere. I'm very happy with the buy. We got a really good deal on this, so guys, job well done, and I will be able to install it on the car. Okay guys, I'm at the barn. It's cold, as you can probably see. It's dark. Unfortunately I don't have a light, but what I do need to do is remove the seat belts and remove the airbags, as we've got to take them down and have them exchanged. We're going to buy a new dashboard, a new set of airbags and new seat belts, but the old ones we actually have to hand in. So what I actually need to do is get those removed before tomorrow, when tomorrow morning we head out to pick up those airbags. So we need to get that done, and we need to get that done today. So there you go, that's maybe a better angle. I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm going to put the lights on. I need to get the generator on because obviously we need the electricity, and let's get to work. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. So we've got all the airbags out, we've got the two seat belts out that we needed, so we'll go take those to get replaced, and we'll also pick up a new dashboard on Saturday, so we'll be able to replace this unit. That should be fun. Anyway guys, that's gonna be it for today. It's the very next day here. We're heading out to the 4 Wheel Builds workshop. We picked up a nice brand new, well, used and practically brand new looking dashboard, which we want to fit, plus we also got a bumper bar. We'll go down and give you a quick look, but now let's go and pick up some of the tools that we'll need to get the job done. So let's go pack those in the car and let's head out. Guys, we're here at the 4 Wheel Builds headquarters. Now let's take a look at the dashboard that we got for the Skoda. I'll give you a closer look. There it is guys, look at that. It's used but in pristine condition. Most importantly, the airbag cover is not blown. Alright, so get this sucker in. It's our bag full of airbags. Airbags and seatbelts. So we've got the driver's airbag, got the seatbelts, drivers and passenger. We've got the knee airbag and also the passenger airbag. So guys, the only thing that's left now is to get working and get the old dashboard out and get a new one in. I bought some of the parts, interior parts back whilst we had them out of the dash. As you can see, this infotainment system screen is absolutely filthy. Potentially it's got some scratches in it. And take a look at this instrument cluster, the amount of scratches that has in it. I cannot put this back on the car as it is. So I need to devise a way as to how to get these scratches out. Infotainment screen, I'll see how our computer monitor cleaning foam works and see if that does anything for us. Areas that people tend to touch a lot, just use one of the cotton buds and just gently wipe. Half an hour of work or thereabout, and we've got the panel looking clean. All the scratches obviously on the piano black are still there. I think we'll need to do some polishing to get those out, but I'll need to do a little bit more research to find out a safe way to actually clean this up. But overall the unit's looking much better, much cleaner, and something that you'd actually want to touch now whilst driving. So let's have a look as to what we can do with the instrument cluster. So guys, take a better look at this instrument cluster. I hope you can see all the scratches that the screen has. I haven't cleaned this screen as yet, so I'll do some cleaning now and see how well we can actually clean this up. But I think the clear screen will also need a polish here. And let's go to town. As you can see, there's still plenty of scratches on the glass, or on the plastic glass of the instrument cluster, so that definitely needs a polish. The plan of action is drill with a small, fine sponge pad and Maguire's plastics. Apparently this stuff is for clear plastic to remove all the swirls. So let's give that a go and see how we go. Okay, I've done one pass of the plastics on this side. So as you can see, majority of the scratches are gone. So this half still scratched. This half looks quite good. So I've actually masked off the bezel because I didn't get close enough to the edges. So I'll get closer to the edges now, but plastics, so this stuff is doing its job. Okay, let's continue on and I'll give you a look once we do this side. I'm not sure if you can pick it up. There might be here. There's still some fine scratches that you can see, but like I said, if you go further away, the instrument cluster looks brand new. It literally does look brand new. Closer, obviously, you can see some fine scratches, but like I said, the result is unbelievable. It's much better than expected. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's episode. In the next one we'll continue working on getting the dashboard reinstalled and getting all the bits and pieces put together in the interior to get the interior finished off so we can get it onto the front end. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please consider subscribing, it's going to help us out. Also, please like and comment the video. Hopefully you like it and you'll join us in the next one. See you then guys.